Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pork with bamboo shoot dish. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. This guide will help you create a savory and tender meal that's perfect for any occasion. You'll learn to prepare the pork and bamboo shoots, then combine them with aromatic spices for a truly satisfying result. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic homemade dish. Now let's get our ingredients ready. Take about 500 grams of pork belly and cut it into 1-inch cubes. This size ensures it cooks perfectly. For the bamboo shoots, rinse about 200 grams of pre-cooked slices thoroughly, then cut them into thin, bite-sized pieces. Don't forget your aromatics. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, roughly 1 tablespoon each. Finally, dice 1 medium onion finely. Proper preparation is key to a flavorful dish. Let's move on to the cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your minced garlic, ginger, and diced onion, sautéing for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Next, add the pork belly cubes and brown them nicely on all sides for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the sliced bamboo shoots, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour, until the pork is tender. Almost done. Now it's time to perfect the flavors. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want a little more salt or a pinch of sugar to balance it out. If you prefer a thicker sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to create a slurry, then stir it into the simmering dish until it thickens to your liking. Garnish with fresh, chopped green onions or cilantro for a vibrant touch. Serve your wonderful pork with bamboo shoot hot over fluffy, steamed white rice. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.